Hello, fam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever the time zone you are turning into, you are watching the video. Sorry for that. You already know my name is Abu001. Kindly don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first one to watch the video. You already know we are in new week, and this is the last week of the month, which I pray so that we should all be profitable in this trading journey and any other skills we are doing. You already know what we used to do. We used to analyze our day our I used to analyze we used to analyze our daily chart and see what the market has for us for the day or for the week. But on Monday, on Monday we started from higher time frame, key level like monthly time frame, to down to the down down to the 1 hour or 15 minutes. You already know what we used to do. So before we started this week, we favor us, and the blessing of this week will be ours. Will be ours. So let's quickly, you already know, let's quickly go to Forex Factory. Maybe we have, maybe we have fundamental analysis before we can go into the charts. Yeah, this today is Monday, which is 23. You can see this is the last week of the month, February. We are going, and this is Monday, February 23. GBP, GBPY, there is bank holiday. CNY, there is bank holiday. Japan, and I think I don't know this question for correct, but there is bank holiday, and you already know GBP, Euro, and USD. That's the higher time frame we used to look for, but you can see there is no higher time frame. So the reason why you not focus on this medium time, medium impact news and this low impact news is because what? Is because they not push the market, you understand? But let's now move to the chart. Let's see what the chart has for us. Yeah, this is the chart. Let's do what the chart has for us. You already know we started from XAUUSD, which is gold, and what? Gold USD, gold USD. What we do on gold is just our key level. Seriously, just our key level. It just what we did on monthly time frame. So this is monthly time frame. This is our key level here. This is where the market was broken it, and this is our key level here. This is where the market broken it, has not come down. You understand? And this is our key level here. If market is coming down, this is the first key level. It's going to respect before anything. Let's now move to what? Let's move to weekly time frame. This is our weekly time frame. This is our recent key level here over here. This is our key level resistance, and this is our key level what? This is our key level. This is our key level support, and this is our previous key level resistance. You can see previous key level resistance. Yeah, let's go to weekly time, daily time frame. You can see on weekly time frame we are in uptrend. This is what we just need, or uptrend. Let's go to daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. What what we have on daily time frame? This is what we have on daily time frame. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low now. This is our swing low now. So we are expecting this swing low to give us what? To give us recent swing high. So this is what the market is saying. Market is in what? Market is in uptrend. Since we have known that market is in uptrend, let's move to 4 hours. What we do in 4 hours is just to follow the recent trend. This is what the market is doing. If I can see, market has broken this key level here. Definitely, the market is in uptrend. In which this is the way we are expecting the market to mitigate. This is the next supply zone that market will be expected before anything. If market reach here, market may react anyhow. Let me do the example for you. This is the supply. You can see this is the supply. This is the supply here. This is the supply here. So after market mitigated it first time, it what? It's right. It pushes down. So market push it up again. It's trying to react. It has turned to resistance. It's trying to react, but market has broken it. Definitely, we are in uptrend. Only just what we just need is just to be. What we need is now is just to be looking for opportunity. But this is an opportunity. This is FEG. Yeah, this is the FEG for this is the FEG market gave us on 4 hours. This is the FEG market gave us on 4 hours. So if this market broken this higher high, definitely market is coming here. This is the way they push because there's liquidity here. So let's just continue the trend now. Let's read the structure now. This is the last break of structure. Market broken it. It's together all this place. You can see, but there's FEG here. If market will come back, there's FEG. This serves as liquidity. This is FEG. It's trying to push it down. This is the break of structure now. You can see market that give us break of structure now. Market has given us break of structure. It has broken that place. That's internal break of structure. And this is where we are. This is the supply we are expecting the market to mitigate before anything. Let's go to our 1 hour to see what is happening on 1 hour. This is 1 hour. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour. This is our 1 hour. If you can read the structure now, since market has given us what break of structure here, this is the overall break of structure. This is where market what we just need is let's start reading the market. This is where we can expect it. This is where I'm expecting the market to what to buy. But this is the last break of structure market gave us here. This is an opportunity again. That is other block here. Let's see if this market is going to respect this other block or expected at FEG. You can see. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This is where the other block is. Market may respect the other blocks. Let's see. Let's see what market is going to do. This is where the other block is. So let's be advisable. Let's put the opportunity here. Seriously. Let's see which one the market is going to. Maybe the FEG. So to next key level, this is the let's say this is the key level here. No, this is key level. This key level here. That's the key level we are expecting to sell. Let's see what is happening here. Let's see what is happening here. This, this is the last break of structure. This is the FEG. But let's move to 15-minute time frame. Our entry. Let's see what is happening on 15-minute time frame. This 15-minute time frame. On 15-minute time frame, there's you can see there is liquidity here. If markets can come back here, so let's just say this 1 hour is our main what is our main entry. You understand? Because it's the span, because it starts FEG here. This is the first FEG, this is the second FEG, and this is the other block here. Let's just respect this other block. This what we as simple as that. Not there's we no need to be forcing markets. Seriously, you don't need to be forcing markets. So this is what we are having on gold. We are having buying on gold. This is our entry. Our entry will be this year. Our entry will be here. So we are buying gold. Seriously, we are buying gold massively. Let's just join the trend since we have seen the trend that market is in uptrend. So let's just be buying the market since we are in uptrend. Seriously, since we are in uptrend, let's just be buying the market. Let's just be buying the market. Let's move to sliver. Let's see what sliver is doing. This is sliver. Also, for monthly time frame, also you can see for monthly time frame we are in uptrend on sliver. This is the key level. This is the last higher high market created, and market has broken it. Market has not come back to it. If market came back to it, this key level what is valid, or this key level, or if this key level is not valid, if this key level, definitely this key level what is valid. That's our key level what on monthly time frame. Let's move to weekly time frame. Let's see what is happening on weekly time frame. So on sliver, we are this is our daily time frame. What's on weekly time frame? Sorry, this is our weekly time frame. And you can see this is our first key resistance key level on weekly time frame. This is our support key level, and these are what previous key level resistance, which market broken mitigated to the support. And the reason why this is why on daily time frame you can see we are in an uptrend because market has showed this liquidity, mitigated this FEG market created, and what continue the uptrend. Let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what's happening on daily time frame. Our daily time frame is just our swing high and our swing low. What is happening now on daily time frame? This is our swing high, this is our swing high, and this is our what swing low. This is the minor swing high, which is supply because on daily time frame market give us what it give us what break of structure, and this is what we are having now. We are expecting this is what we are. Let's see what this break of structure is trying to do. This serve as a liquidity. You can see it serve as liquidity. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what is happening on 4 hours time frame. This is what is happening for the reason why that serve as liquidity is because this this high couldn't break this lower low. If it broken this lower low, definitely this lower high is what is strong. We can call it other block. But since it did not break this lower low, serve as liquidity, and market is going to back to that what supply. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what 4 hours time frame tells us. This is 4 hours time frame. You can see market is in uptrend. We just need what we just need is just to drop this uptrend. To drop this uptrend, you can see from here after market mitigated this demand zone, we have what we have break of structure here, and we have change of character here. Definitely, this is what change of character or that block. If market came back here, definitely it's going to give us what is going to give us bullish. But what we just need now is just to follow the recent trend. What we are seeing now, we are seeing FEG on 4 hours time frame. The FEG that happen on what? On gold. You can see it happen. You can see it happen on what? On silver also. You can see it happen on silver also. So the FPG 4 hours give us, you can see it's the same with the FPG gold also give us. Let's now move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see 1 hour time. What's 1 hour time frame is telling us? This 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame, and you can say after market has mitigated this FEG, but we don't know maybe that FEG is going to give us, it's going to dish us what? It's going to dish us bullish. But on 1 hour time frame, we are seeing an option, but we have what? We have opportunity here. You can see big structure, and we have opportunity here because all those ones have FEG. That's other block. That is other block. As for me, on 1 hour, you can see that is other block. Let's see if this market can mitigate it. We are expecting the market to mitigate this supply. That is the supply we are expecting the market. And we are having what? We are having our long position. This is what we are having on 1 hour time frame. But let's see what market let's go to 15 minutes. Let's see what 15 minutes is telling us on this FEG. This is what 15 minutes is telling us on this FEG. But let's respect this space. Let's see what the 50-minute is saying. But if you see break of structure, let's see if you can see break of structure. If you see break of structure, definitely we are taking buy from here on 50-minute time frame. Let's see maybe this. Let's see if this SPG will dig us break of structure. On gold also, let's see if that FPG can give us what break of structure. If we give us break of structure, definitely we are taking what we are taking buy from here. That's it. That's it. That's it. This is where we are coming from. This is where we are going. So let's now move to US30. Let's see what US30 is trying to tell us. This is US30. Seriously, US30. I don't know. Let's start from monthly time frame. This is monthly time frame. This is the key level. This is the key level. This is the key level here. You can see this is the key level here, and this is the last key level market gave us. We move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame now. I just sorry for that. This is our let's say this is our key level now. You can see this is where the market trend is returning, and this is our key level now. You can see this is the last break of structure. This is the key level resistance. This is the key level support. Let's now move to daily time frame. This is what daily time frame is telling us. The daily time frame, this is our swing high and this is our swing low. So market is in between what the swing high and the swing low. That's what the market is doing now. Let's now move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what the 4 hour time frame. This is the 4 hour time frame. You can see market is in what? Market is in downtrend. If you want to read this market, this is the last break of structure market gave us on what? On 4 hours time frame. And this is what? This is break of structure. You can see this is what market is doing. This is our swing group. And market has came back to here. You understand? Swept the liquidity. Another market swept the liquidity. Market mitigated this liquidity before giving us uptrend. And this is what the market is happening. Because there is FED here. This is the way FED mitigated. There is FED here, which means on 4 hours we are seeing what we are seeing bullish. This is where the market is coming. All this one the market is creating is what is liquidity. All this market is created whether it's because you can see this is where the liquidity is market created market swept the liquidity over here on 4 hours market swept this liquidity. After market swept this liquidity, continue that trend. Let's just see how we can continue that trend before we are buying, because this is where we are buying from here. This is where we are buying from here. on f- on 4 hours we are buying from there. Seriously. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's happening at 1 hour time frame. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. You can see the liquidity. You can see the liquidity. But let's see what the market is trying to do. On 1 hour time frame, this is the last break of structure market gave. I mean, this change of character self. Let's say this is the last break of structure. You can see this is the last break of structure. Let's just see the market from here. And this is the change of character. Change of character. This is the last break of structure market gave us on what? Break of structure. Market came back to this way. Market came back to this other block. It continued to this shows downtrend. what we now do, let's move to 50-minute time frame. Let's see what the 50-minute time frame is telling us. This 50-minute time frame. After market mitigated that other block, market give us break of structure here. You can see the break of structure. Market give a break of structure here. And change of character here. Sorry. And color change of character. And we are having break of structure here. You can see what 15 minutes is telling us. Let's now move to where we can take this entry. This is where we can take this entry. This is the last FEG market gave us. We can take it from here. This is the FEG market gave us. Sorry. Let me take it. Let me put it on the system so that it will be easy for me. This is the last FEG market gave us here. And this serve as liquidity here. So as liquidity. And we are having our sell here. Overall sell. We are having the sell from here. We are having the sell from here. This is where we are having the sell, seriously, and we are having our stop loss over here. Let's now see how this market is going now. The market is going for buy, seriously. But let's just join. Let's see if we can join this buy. That is what we can do. Let's see if you can join this buy on 50-minute time frame. This is what the market is doing. This is the last break of structure here. You can see after this break of structure, give us change of character. Market didn't eat. After market, this is the last break of structure. So this is the last break of structure here. Other block, and we are having small buy. Let's see if this one can. This is the buy we are having. We are having the buy here. Yeah. So this is what we have on US30. We are having buy to sell. This is where we are buying, and this is where we are selling. But unfortunately, market may react anyhow. Since market has mitigated this FEG, market can buy from here also. So let's just wait and say we are buying from here. If you see the opportunity market mitigated that FEG, definitely the sell has happened. Seriously, the sell has happened. That's what the market is. If market change with it instantly. If market is going in one direction, go with it. If market change instantly, you to change with it instantly. That's how we can be successful, we can make profits. Let's move to GBPUSD. This is GU. GU, what is happening on GU? This is what is happening on GU now. You can see this is the key level. I'm expecting the market to mitigate it before anything. Before anything, this is the key level I'm expecting the market. But let's move to since we have drawn our key level, let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is our key level on weekly time frame. These are our recent key level on weekly time frame also. You can see all these ones are already been mitigated. There's no FEG, seriously. These are our key level. Market accelerated on it. So let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's just go and read the market. Let's go and read the market. You can see we are in uptrend. This is the last break of structure. We are in uptrend. Let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is. This is what daily time frame is telling us. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. Let's just see what the market is doing on daily time frame. All this said is what is correctional movement. This is the last break of structure on daily time. Market mitigated this. Market has given us another break of structure, and this is the FEG. So let's say my market is coming back to the year. But what we are doing now, let's move to market respected this other block here. Market respected this other block here. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what the markets are. Since we have known that this is our FEG, so we are buying the market, we are selling the markets. We are selling the market from here. This is the overall place we are selling the market. We can see our other block. Let's move to 4 hours. This is 4 hours. This is the sell we are expecting to sell on Friday, but market trigger it, but what market did? Market go back again. So this is invalid again. So definitely this market has changed the trend, and the market has turned towards change of character from here. Internal change of character, and this way we are expecting the market. Let's say we are expecting the market from the other block. Let's move to 1 hour. Let's see what the 1 hour is trying to tell us here. This is 1 hour. Since we have seen the opportunity here, we have seen break of structure. Definitely, we are expecting the sell from here. We are expecting the buy from here. Sorry, we are expecting the buy from here. This is the other block of 1 hour time frame, and we are buying from here. And our stop loss will be here. And this, let's take our take profit here. First take profit, second take profit here. That if we move on 15-minute time frame, let's move see our 15-minute time frame as our entry. This 15-minute time frame, you can see this is where the market is. Market is coming here. After market mitigated here, definitely we are buying. Let's just say we are buying before the market continue downtrend. We are buying from here. This way we are buying. So let's move to EU. Let's see what is happening on EU. Let's see what is happening on EU and see what EU is trying to give us. This is EU. This is the trade we took on Friday that we are expecting the sell, but as market open today, what the market try to what to continue the bullish. But what I'm saying now, the market is not. Let's start from monthly time frame as usual. For monthly time frame, this is our key level here. You can see market has turned this place. This is our resistance. This is our record. This is our resistance. This is our key level. But market has turned into support and resistance. That's what key level mean. Where buyer, if you see, this is where the market is trying to go up. Came back to it. It's trying to go up. Market's broken it, but he expected it what before continuing downtrend. He expected it again. So this is where the key level is. That's what the key level mean. Let's move to weekly time frame. Let's see what weekly time frame is trying to tell us. This weekly time frame, this is our key level here. This is our key level here, and this is our key level right here. So, but this key level, market has touched it again. All these ones are already was mitigated. So let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is. That's what we focus on. Daily time frame. This is our swing high. This is our swing low. You can see market is down. Market is in an uptrend. This trend is correctional movement. This trend is correctional movement. So let's move to 4 hours to see where the opportunity is. This is 4 hours. You can see this is change of character. This is supply that that they're trying to give us, and give us what? Give us the sell. This is the sell it gave us, and this is the what? This is the break of structure here. This is the last break of structure. But what market is doing, market is trying to give us uptrend. Seriously, but market mitigated this FEG. Market mitigated this FEG. But let's say this is the last break of structure market give us. This is the last break of structure market gave us. So let's just read this market. This turn to what? Change of character. This 20 character. Let's move to 1 hour. Let's see what 1 hour is trying to find the other block. This 1 hour, this is our other block here. This way we are joining the market. Other block. And this our long position will be here. And our stop loss will be below this candle. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what is happening on 15-minute time frame. This is what is happening on 15-minute time frame. On 50 times we are having what FEG here. We are having FEG over there. So we are expecting the market to mitigate here before dishing us what uptrend. But what market is trying to do now, market is in downtrend now. If we want to take this market, this is the last break of social market gave us. This way the opportunity is, or this way we are taking. But it's advice for us to not take this sell. Only just we should wait for this buy. Seriously, this is the buy I'm waiting for. Let's just see what this buy is trying to give us. I'm waiting for this buy. So let's to the next supply. These are our next supply. So if market is trying to go up, this is the other block that's going to give us what? It's going to give us the sell because it has what? It's at liquidity. Because this has what? It has liquid. This other is has what? It's liquidity trend. Definitely market is going to what? It's going to sweep this liquidity before continuing the downtrend. Yeah, that is what we have on EU. Let's now move to UJ. Let's see what UJ has for us. Let's see what UJ has for us. This is what UJ has for us. Let's just see what this market has for us. I'm trying to take this series on Friday, but it does not happen. From monthly time frame, this is our key level here. This is our key level also here. So this is our key level. This is our last key level. So these are recent key level. We are expecting the market, but market has mitigated this key level. We are expecting market to mitigate this key level before anything. Let's now move to weekly time frame. Let's see what is happening on the weekly time frame. This is weekly key level market mitigated. That's trying to push the markets down. And this is another key level here. You can see this is the key level here. This is the key level that give us break of structure here. As you can see, give us break of structure. This is the key level that give us break of structure here. And this is the key level. Let's see what is happening on daily time frame. This is daily time. This is our swing high. This is our swing low. And this is our recent swing low now. But this is manual one because it does not give us this what? It does not give us bullish. It does not break this structure. Definitely this swing low is not too strong. Seriously. But we are having FEG here. I'm still expecting the market to come back here before giving us bullish. But let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what's happening on 4 hours time. This is what's happening. This place has turned to support. You can see this has turned to support. As for me, it has turned to support because this is the last break of structure. This is change of character. market came back to it. It has turned, it pushes down. So definitely it has turned to support, and this is the last break of structure on 4 hours time frame. Market broke this place, give us change of character. This is the where with this where we are expecting the market to come and mitigate and give us what? And give us bullish. And give us bullish. But market is in this supply. This is where the supply is. And if you can read the market from if you can read the market now, you can see what this is break of structure. After market give us break of structure, market give us change of character here. After market give us change of character, and this will be change of character order block for us. Because you can see it has F57. So this will be change of character order block. Let's move to 1 hour to redefine the entry. This is 1 hour. You can see this is liquidity swept. So this is the FEG, this is the FEG here. You can see the FEG. So market is coming here. Let's see what market is coming and give us the what and give us the sell. Sorry for that. So we are selling to this other block because market mitigated this. Market swept this liquidity, mitigated this order block, and there is other block here. This is the other block that is valid. So we are expecting the market to mitigate this other block before we can see the buy up. Market want to feed this before the market wants to feed this and continue the uptrend, downtrend. Let's see our stop loss will be here. Here. Let's put it here. So we are expecting sell from here. That's what we are expecting on UJ. Let's move to JU. And this is what's happening on JU now. I see. I know that this market is coming back here to set this liquidity. Let's just see what is happening. On monthly time frame, as usual, this is the key level market is reacting to. And this is the last key level we are expecting the market. So definitely we are in uptrend, you see. So let's move to weekly time frame. This weekly time frame. This is our key level here. But now this will turn to our key level because market has given us 1, 2, 3. Market has given us 3 candle of 8. This will be our key level here now. And these are what? These are previous key level here. Sorry. These are previous key level. So let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what is happening on daily time frame. This is what is happening on daily time frame. This is our last break of structure, and this is our what demand zone. And this demand and this this break this structure, but all this place serve as liquidity because this one couldn't break it with full body candle. You can see they couldn't break each other with full body candle. This resistance, this key level, this multi key level is trying to push them down. But let's just see the market. Since the market has what mitigated this demand zone, the demand zone is trying to push it up. Yeah, the demand zone is trying to push it up because this you can see this is the break of structure, and this is the last break of structure on demand zone. And this serve as support, and this is the last, this is another break of structure on, let's read from there. This is the break of structure, this is the break of structure, and this is the last break of structure. This serve as supply for me. You understand? It serve as supply for me. So this will serve as resistance for me. It serve as liquidity for me. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to see the trend. This 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame. After this is the last break of structure here on 4 hours. Market swept the liquidity continue that trend, give us the last break of structure on 4 hours here. But you can see on 1 hour, this is the last break of structure. Market give us change of character. Is this a change of character? After market mitigated this change of character order block, what the market give? Market give us another another uptrend. But the reason why market came back is because of this resistance here. But as for me, that resistance has turned to key level, has turned to liquidity. This resistance, this resistance has turned to liquidity for me. As that resistance has turned to liquidity for me, market is going to sweat it. So let's just see the market now. Let's see what the market is trying to give us. And this is what the market is. This is the last break of structure here. This is the last break of structure here. And this is the other block that gave us this break of structure. This is the man zone that gave us this break of structure. You can see this is the what? This is the other block. You can see that is the man zone that gave us this other break of structure. All these ones serve as liquidity. You can see it serves as liquidity. All these ones serve as liquidity trend line. So what did the market do? Let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what is happening on 15-minute time. This 15-minute time frame. You can see all these places as what? As liquidity trend line, our liquidity trend line. So after market came back to it, to this other block, to give us the bullish. This is what the market is trying to do, is continue the uptrend. There is liquidity here if market is coming back to take the buy. But this is what we are having now. Let's read from this structure. Let's see this 15-minute time frame. This is the last break of structure here. This is the last break of structure here. And this is change of character here. Let's see what is happening here. Now see this is change of character with full body candle. Change of character, and this is where we are having liquidity here. We are having liquidity over here. And these are other block here. If market came back, these are other block here. So we are buying from there. Seriously, we are buying from there. Let's just see if the market can go uptrend again. This is that break of structure here. So now let's see if market came back here. This is what we are having. We are having buy from here, but our stop loss will be large. The reason why I said our stop loss will be large because we want to be safer. You understand? Market may turn to all those places as liquidity, mitigate that other block. The main we have for continue. So this is what we are having on GU. Let's now move to crypto. Let's see what crypto is trying to tell us. This is what crypto is trying to tell us. On monthly time frame, you can see where the trend is. This is the key level. These are the key level. So let's see what the market is trying to tell us. Let's move to weekly time frame. This weekly time frame. This weekly time frame. This is the supply weekly give us. This is the last break of structure. This is supply. All these ones are key level. Let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is trying to tell us. This daily time frame, please can see this is the swing what? This is the swing high and this is the swing low. Market is the what? Is in between. You can see market is in between. Market has not given us anything. Just skin. Market is just doing as a like. Market, I'm seeing all this as liquidity self. Liquidity. I'm seeing this as liquidity. This is liquidity. Let's move to daily 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. You can see this is liquidity, and this is what? This is the other block of daily time frame. We are in supply of daily time frame, and this face has FEG on 4 hours. It has FEG, so I'm seeing this as well as liquidity. As for me, I'm seeing this as liquidity. This is not break of structure because do not break it with full body candle. That is not break of structure. So let's just see this market. Let's see what the market is trying to do. This is the last break of structure here. This is the break of structure here. So markets mitigated this break of structure here or this break of structure here. We'll continue and let's see. This is the last break of structure here. See this trade on BTC, which we gas to be careful because if we see change of character on 15-minute time frame, definitely we are taking the sell. But if we do not see anything, we are not taking any sell. We guys be patient. Seriously. Let's move to 15 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame, you can see this last break of structure. Let's see what is happening here. Let's see what is happening on this other block. Let's see of 15-minute time frame. Let's see the international start structure set. This is what is happening. All this let's see change of character. Market came back to it, but market has served this phase as liquidity. But let's just see this is the trend we are seeing. Let's see what is happening. But this serve as liquidity. But if market broke in this phase with full body candle, definitely we are in option. Let's see 15-minute time frame. If you can see 15-minute time frame. This 15-minute time frame. Before we take any trade on 15-minute time frame, we got what? We got see change of character on 15-minute time frame. But 15-minute time frame, 1 hour is telling us buy also. If you want to join this buy, you can join this buy. This is where the market is. This is the other block on 1 hour, and this is what this is the uptrend because that's the last break of social market gave us. We are taking what we are taking buy to this phase. So our stop loss will be here. That's what we are having what on 50 minutes or so. You can see that is the last break of social. We are taking our buy from here. So on 50 minutes time frame, we are buying. Let's move to Ethereum. Let's see what is happening on Ethereum. For monthly time frame, you can see where the key level is. This is where the market is. Market has not just given us anything this month itself. Yeah, on weekly time frame, this is where the market is. Let's say market is coming to sell this liquidity, mitigate this FPG and continue the uptrend. This is what will happen, and this is what the market is giving us here. It has given us supply here, and the supply has been mitigated multiple times, which is what it has turned to resistance. And this is the last break of structure. Let's move to the daily time frame. Let's see what the daily time frame is trying to give us. This is the daily time. This is the daily time frame. This is the swing high and this is the swing low. You can see what is happening on BTC is happening on the Ethereum. They are both moving on the same side. But I'm seeing this as liquidity trend line. Seriously, I'm seeing this as liquidity trend. Like, let's see. Let's use Fibonacci retracement. This Fibonacci retracement, market may come back here before continuing the downtrend. So let's move to 1 hour, 4 hours time frame. Let's see what is happening. Let's see the research trend of 4 hours time frame. You can see this is this is the what? This is the liquidity trend I'm talking about. This is the liquidity trend, and this is the last break of short-term market gave us. And this is what this is the supply zone that give us the sell. The sell. This is the supply zone that give us the sell on 4 hours time frame. Let's see if that market, if the supply is trying to push the market down. Let's move to, but we guys be patient to, as I said on BTC also, we guys be patient. We cannot just take the trend like that. But on 1 hour, what we are having 1 hour, we are having uptrend on 1 hour. You can see this feels as as liquidity. We are having FEG here. So let's say we are having other block here, and we are having our buy here. And this way we are buying. Let's see 15 minute that our entry. Let's see what you can see 15 minutes is aligned with it. You can see there's FEG here. So we should be patient to market may come back here, continue the uptrend. We are expecting buy on what? On Ethereum also. This is where we are buying. So let's just be patient. Let's see what the market is trying to do. This is what we are having also on BTC and what and Ethereum. Let's move to gold. Let's see what gold is trying to tell us. Gold is still bullish. You can see we are having bullish on gold on silver. We are having bullish on silver also. On US 30, this you can see the market has mitigated that FEG. It has mitigated this FEG. So it's trying to give us the bullish. Let's see what it's trying to what we are expecting set from here. We are expecting set from here. Let's move to GU. This is what we are asking. We are expecting buy from here also. Let's move to EU. We are see where we are expecting the buy also. So this is what is happening on the trend or the trade. Let's move to UJ. This is what is happening on UJ. We are expecting the set from here. We are expecting the set from here. This is what we are expecting. Let's move to J GJ. You can see we are expecting. We don't know what's happening, but we are expecting buy from here. That's what we are expecting. This is what we are expecting today. I pray may this week may this week favor us and we should be profitable. Today is the beginning of the week. Today is the beginning of the day, and thank for watching it. I thank for watching it from up to Z. I really appreciate. For those of you that you do not understand, if you want more self explanation, kindly check my bio. You will see my Telegram link or Instagram link. You can message me, I will reply you. Or if you don't want to reply me through my social media, you can just comment and I will answer and we will follow the comment over there. You understand? But I will advise you to click my Telegram link or Instagram. You know that one is private. So you have get through link for me instead of messaging instead of message ourselves on the comment section. You understand? That's what I will. For those of the professionals, you understand. If you are watching my video and you see that this guy is trying, is this guy I see is seeing what's he's seeing his own, but I think this guy need help. Let me just, since we are brothers, and and my sister in trading, sister in trading also, you can help your brother. Yes, you see, we rise by lifting each other. So all of us, what all of us just go into this financial market is just to multiply to multiply more capital, and what, to be a successful trader. Seriously, that's what all of us go into this financial market for. And I pray so we are going to succeed in it, and we are going to be profitable. Seriously, peace and love. You already know. You already know. You already know. Today, you already know. My name is Abu 001. Kindly don't forget to share, subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you will be the first person to see my video. Peace and love. Have a beautiful, have a successful, and have a peaceful day ahead. Have a peaceful day ahead. Today is your day. This week is your week. Thanks.